Hi, today I have these LED filament string lights. I'm super excited. I've been wanting these for so long. They're good for indoors and outdoors. So I'm going to show you how they work. Okay, so it tells you how it comes. It comes with 15 lamp holders, 16 bulbs, so it has an extra bulb just in case one doesn't work, 50 lumens, and there's 53 feet in here. So let's open it up. So once you open it up, you see all of the lights, and they're actually pretty durable. It's not glass, it's more like a plasticky thing, which is good so that they don't like break very easily. And doesn't look like it gets tangled too easily. You can see they have these little holes, so that's a good way to string them up. It does come with these, so this would be an easy way to hold them up through here, and then to attach it to like a post or something, so that it'll hang up. It also comes with instructions, an extra light bulb, and an extra bulb case. So that would go in there, and you would put that into one of the sockets if it stops working. Okay, so let's plug it in and see how bright these are, and then I'm going to hang it up outside and I'll show you how bright that looks. Okay, when I plug them in, look how bright that is. So obviously we're in the daytime right now, so stay tuned for just a couple seconds. I'll show you how it looks at night when it's nicely hung up and how bright it actually gets. Okay, look how bright these lights are. Like, there's no lights on out here. It's only these lights. And so they were very easy to put up. I thought I was going to be able to use these ties, but the railing is too wide for that, but that's okay. I just draped it over, but it's very bright with the lights plugged in, and it lights up this whole area, which is great. So let me show you how it looks with the lights off and then with the lights on. Okay, so this is with the lights off. As you can see, it's very dark. Now I'm going to turn the lights back on. As you can see with the lights on, it's nice and bright, and you can see everything in this little patio thanks to the lights. Very beautiful.